Today I'm going to show you how to turn simple ingredients into absolutely irresistible little fritters. To start, we'll need apples. Peel them calmly. That smell already makes your mouth water, right? Now cut them into small pieces. They don't have to be perfect, okay? The important thing is that they're small enough to mix well later. Once that's done, set them aside. But tell me quickly, where are you watching from? I already want to know which city these fritters are coming from today. Now, in a bowl, add 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Mix everything very well until you get a smooth, even mixture. Look at this base. You can already imagine the final result, right? And tell me, do you prefer quick recipes like this or more elaborate ones? After mixing, add 4.4 ounces of plain yogurt. This ingredient is the secret to making the fritters soft on the inside. Mix again until it becomes nice and creamy. Now add a pinch of salt. Just a little makes all the difference because it enhances the sweet flavor. A lot of people forget this, but it really changes everything. Now add the chopped apples back into the mixture. Mix well. Look how it's already starting to gain texture. And have you ever made a recipe with apples like this before, or is this your first time? Now add 8.8 ounces of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Add the flour little by little, okay? This is important so the batter doesn't become too heavy. Mix gently until you reach that perfect consistency. Not too runny, not too thick. This is the moment that defines everything. So take your time and watch the texture. Once it's ready, let's shape the fritters. Take small portions of the batter and shape them using 2 spoons or however you prefer. Now tell me, are you the type who perfects the shape or just drops them straight into the oil? After shaping, fry them in hot oil. Fry until they're nicely golden. That beautiful color makes you want to grab one right away. The smell here is already amazing. Seriously. Remove them and place them on paper towels to absorb the excess oil. And now the final touch. Roll the fritters in sugar while they're still warm. This creates that perfect sweet crust on the outside. Done. Now just enjoy. You'll have super tasty apple fritters, soft on the inside, and with an irresistible crust on the outside. And tell me in the comments, are you making this today or saving it for later?